Hi all, in this video we are going to make a rocker mechanism. So as you can see in my screen, a motion study which I have created and how to use and how to make this model. So let's start. So we are going to make a rocker mechanism. So let's get started. Use a front plane, select sketch, select corner rectangle, and the horizontal line is 80 mm and vertical line is 80 mm. Select circle, second circle and third circle also. Now the dimension of the circle is 5 mm and the second one also 5 mm. Select third circle and select this circle, and the diameter of this circle will be 30 mm. The distance between circle to this line 30 mm also, and thus from this 5 mm circle to the 5 mm circle 26 mm. Make sure you have on a shaded sketch continuity. Select a diagonal line and make it construction geometry and make it mirror. Now we are going to make offset of these two lines. Select this and select, and the offset should be 5 mm from bi-direction. Uncheck select chain and end cap should be lines. Select trim entities and trim unwanted parts. Also use this diagonal line. Select circle and make two circles. The diameter will be 5 mm. And the distance from this point to that point 40 mm. In the opposite direction also 40 mm. Select offset, make it bi-direction and cap on. Select line, make it this to collinear. Now select trim entities and trim unwanted parts. Make sure I have removed collinear lines. I am trimmed those portions as you can see on my screen. This is a complex part. Select sketch fillet and make it 3 mm from this corner, and this corner, also this. Okay, there are 4 fillets I have created. Select again trim entities and trim unwanted parts, where you can see guys, we are designing a rocker assembly, and this is the first part, and second part also we are going to create in this video. Select circle and the diameter of the circle is 30 mm. Select trim and trim unwanted parts, but we are going to make a circle in the origin point. Trim again, trim this portion and trim this portion also. Now select fillet and the fillet will be 3 mm. or 10 mm also fine. This one also 3 mm from both sides. Again we are going to make a circle. As you can see, 5 mm from the radius 10 mm origin. Select boss extrude, select mid plane and 10 mm depth at the green check. Now our first part is ready. Again we are going to make a 2-cut extrude in this face. Select circle, this circle also center point, and the diameter is 10 mm. Both must be equal condition. Select extrude cut and through all. This our first part is ready. Select another part number 2. Select front plane, select center slot or straight slot, whatever you want to use. The length will be 30 mm and the diameter is 20 or I think 10 mm. Yes, 10 mm. Select a circle, center point and center point. Both must be equal condition. Choose extrude boss. Select a mid plane and 5 mm and the green check. Now we are going to make a third part. Select front plane and sketch. Again select center straight slot. This one is 90 mm and the radius will be 10 mm and both circle diameter is 10 mm. Both are in equal condition. Again select straight slot from this point to that point, also 20 mm and the radius is 5 mm. Our geometry is fully defined. Select boss extrude and mid plane 5 mm. Part number 4. Front plane, sketch, center slot. Select this 20 mm radius and 100 mm width of the center slot. Make two circles from this point and that point. Also the diameter is 10 mm. The radius should be 10 mm. Make correction. Again select center slot and the radius is 5 mm for this slot. The distance between this slot point and that slot point will be 15 mm. Choose extrude boss, mid plane 5 mm. Hit the green check. This is our part number 4. Now we have all created parts, so let's assemble them. So select new and assembly and hit OK. Now insert all 4 parts 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Make it isometric view. Select this. We have to edit this part, so open it, select boss extrude, select sketch, so this circle we do not need, so I have made a mistake. Select contours and select this portion and this portion. Actually we are going to remove this circle from one side and make it for boss extrude. So how I created? So this way. Again select this face, sketch the 5 mm, make it blind and the selected contours will be this. This circle only I want to boss extrude. Make it 10 mm or 5 mm. 5 mm will be perfect for this. Hit the green check. Select this concentric and this and make it concentric. This face and this face, make it coincident. Yeah, perfectly rotating. Select this part and open it. Also we have to remove this cortex tool. Again select this sketch, select and remove clear selection and select this circle, and the direction is 5 mm, sorry, make it 5 mm and hit the green check. Select this face and this face, make it concentric and also make it coincident from main rocker assembly to this part. Select this face and this face, make it concentric. Select this face and that face, make it coincident. Again select this face and this face, make it concentric. Here you can see our assembly is completed. Now we are going to use motion studies. Select animation, select motor. We are going to use this portion of clockwise and make it 25 rpm. Hit the green check and the timing will be whatever you want to do. Make it 12 seconds and calculate it. So let's go to change the appearances. And if this helped, like, subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you have watched full video and comment it.